Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be a app test video. So basically I'm using an app called Fitato. Now this is a gym app, so if you want to go to a gym in a new place like in Pune and Hyderabad. So this service is available in Pune and Hyderabad. So gyms, a lot of other stuff. So we'll be looking at the app itself right now. So if you want something where you don't want to have the full membership like a year's membership or 1 month's membership and stuff, and you want like maybe 10 days of membership because you are not going to be going to the gym every day, so like maybe just Saturday Sunday if you want to go to the gym, then this is a good option for you because it's going to be cheaper than your gym's 1 day's fees. So let's talk about that. Let's go ahead and go to one of the gyms. Let me just show you how to actually do the booking, and then we'll be talking about the rest of the things. Okay, so now we're going to book the session on Fitato app. So I'll put the screen on top there so you can see what I'm actually seeing. So now you have a lot of options. You have Fitato exclusive, you have yoga and Pilates, you have functional, you have Zumba, you have dance, you have gym, martial arts, core training, aerobics, spinning, swimming, sports and other than folk fitness. So you have all these options, so you can choose any of them. So I want gym, so I'll choose the gym option. Now depending on your internet connection it might take some time. So now the gyms around me are Talwalkar, Khalsa, First Fit. So I want to go to First Fit, so I'll choose First Fit, Viman Nagar. Now it will give me the schedule, so it will tell me okay, so you want to book it for 18th, and from the timing is between 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. So when you book a session is for 1 day, so in that day whatever time you can go once, so you can't just keep going every time. You can't go in the morning and go in the evening again, it's only once. So now at the bottom you will see the map. If you want to go there, it will show you the direction, and then you have the reserve activity button. So I press the reserve activity button. Now it will give me the confirmation. It will show me the entire information that your session is going to be booked between this time to this time. Now I'll press confirm reservation. Okay, so now at the bottom you see it says reservation confirmed, activity reserved. So now let's go ahead and go into the gym and then see what all do we get with this. Now before that there's a formality. You'll have to go to the reception, give them the number. So you actually have a Fitato number. So if you go into your profile, you will have your check-in code. So I'll have to give my check-in code to them, and then they will allow me to go in. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so we are at the reception now. So I'll have to give my check-in code. So we have Ganesh. Hi, so Ganesh, my check-in code is 2788. So okay, so now I can go in. Okay, so yeah, so that's it. That's all that you have to do. Now let's go ahead and see the gym, how First Fit actually looks like. Okay, so now I'm in Kharadi, so I'm looking for gyms around. So let's see what all gym options do I have. This polarized sunglasses will not allow me to see anything on the phone. Okay, so let's look at the gym options. So I have a few options here. So Khalsa Gym, MK Fitness, Talwarkar, Nucleus. Okay, that looks nice. F3, Fit Addiction. Okay, so a lot of them. So let's see. So you don't get any ratings with it, so you don't have like a 5-star rating, 3-star rating or something like that. So you have to choose them by the picture itself. So the closest one is Nucleus Gym to me. Let's choose that. Let's see the pictures here. So you have, okay, so a lot of cardio equipments. Oh, they have a rowing machine also. Oh, that looks big. Okay, so let's go and book a session with them. So let me reserve an activity with them. This one is Nucleus. Hi, so I have a Fitato booking.
Okay.
So I don't know what I am. So
Can you please give me the check-in code?
yeah, the check-in code is 2788.
1 second. Your name?
Ken.
Okay.
Okay, so now I can just go in. So I have to go to the changing room, first left, and then okay. Thank you. Okay, so you guys have seen both the gyms. So I went to First Fit in Viman Nagar and Nucleus in Kharadi. So let's talk about some rules and regulations. So I have the app with me. So before we start with the rules and regulations, let's check the rates. So I'll put the screen on top over there. So now you have to go and buy a pass. So my pass is over. So I'll go into activate pass. Now these are the options available. So the cheapest one is 1,499. You get 10 days of workout. I mean, you can work out for 10 days, and those 10 days can be used in 30 days. So it's not a monthly thing, like not 31 days, 28 days, 30 days. So exactly 30 days. Then you have the 30 days month pass, where you have it for 2,499. Then you have the 2 monthly one, which is 4,599, and then you have the 90 days one, which is for 6,599. So those are the options available. Now with that, what you can do is you can actually choose any of these activities. So you have Fitato exclusives. If you go into that, you get a lot of options where it's not only gym or yoga and stuff. It's got now you see they have parkour, you have okay, Brazilian something, you have freestyle dancing, you have cricket. Okay, so all these Fitato exclusive stuff would be available. You have a lot of other things like functional training, Zumba, dance, yoga, Pilates, martial arts, and all these things. So you can choose from any of that and then go and book the class for that particular date. So there's one rule which actually I did not know before. So according to me, what it was is that once you book, it's booked for the day. So all that I knew is that you can use it for the entire day. So it's not going to be like you'll go in the morning, you'll go in the afternoon, you'll go in the evening, so 3 times a day or something like that. No, it's only once, and that too, it depends on what booking did you do. So for example, First Fit itself has yoga, it's got Zumba, it's got functional HIIT training, and it's got gym. So there are and more stuff. So these are the 4 things that I looked into. So if I'm booking a gym session, then from the morning 6 o'clock till night 10 o'clock, that entire day, anytime, once I can go to the gym. But if I'm trying to book yoga, I don't book the gym and then go and attend the yoga class. I'll have to go into the yoga option and then choose the timing. So the yoga timing will be 1 hour. So generally they have it at 6:30, so 6:30 to 7:30 is the yoga time. So that's the only time you can use. So remember that. So if you're going for yoga, you just get that 1 hour time schedule. If you're going for any other, if you go through any of those things, you just get those 1 hour, 2 hour, whatever session time you have. Like if the session goes for 2 hours, then you get 2 hours. If the session goes for 1 hour, you get 1 hour. So generally it's 1 hour. So that's the only thing you get. But if you go through gym, then you have the entire day, and then you can choose when do you want to go. Only once for the day. You cannot book it twice. So that's what I was thinking. Like if I book, it was getting expired, so I thought, okay, morning I'll go into one gym and in the evening I'll go to another one. So you cannot do that. So that's also one thing. If you don't use it, it just gets expired. So just be careful about that. So anything else you need help with, just message me, put a comment, and then I'll reply back to that. I can't think of anything right now other than these things. So who is it going to be useful for? Let's talk about that. So it's going to be useful for people who don't want the entire gym's membership, because they end up taking a membership but never use it, or they want to try a gym first before they actually go for the full membership. So now the cheapest option is like a day wise pass, or cheapest option is a month. I mean, basically the cheapest is the 1 year thing, where they give you a lower rate for a long amount of time. But if you don't want to do that, you can buy a pass, go and test all the gyms around you with the Fit Pass. So that's what I did. I used it. I went to all the gyms. Now with the Fit Pass, I can actually go to wherever I want to, whichever gym I want to. The one that I did not find was Gold's Gym. Other than that, even Multi-Fit and everything was available on this. So it's a good option for anyone who wants to try the gym or wants to have like a short period pass where it's not too expensive. If you go to the gym itself, 1 day's pass will be around 300 rupees. But if you go through Fitato, then this goes to around approximately 150 rupees a day, so almost half the price that you are actually giving the gym for 1 day. So that way it's going to be useful. So but if you're looking for a long-term one, then the actual gym membership makes more sense. So that's basically it. That's what I got to know about the app. If I have missed anything, I'll put it in the comment, and if you have any doubts, just comment and I'll reply back to that. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.